Metro Tower 107 Tango Sierra is holding short of 3 left.
November 107 Tango Sierra Tower, roger.
Welcome aboard. I'm in a Cessna 172RG and I'm about to depart Detroit Metro Airport, one of the largest Bravo fields in the United States.
Endeavor 5071, I got a report of birds out there at 1,800 feet. Do you see anything out there?
Not that we can see right now, Endeavor 5071.
Endeavor 5071, roger, contact departure, have a good day.
Contact departure, Endeavor 5071.
I'm not going to talk over ATC in the traffic because I know some of you are watching this just to hear this.
Tower, hello, Skywest 4009, we are on the visual approach runway 3 right.
Skywest 4009 Tower, runway 3 right, cleared to land.
3 right, clear to land, Skywest 4009.
Yes, I did just point the nose a little to the left so I could look at this Delta Airbus. I do some plane spotting too. Anybody want to tell me what kind of plane that is? The delay here is going to be nothing like it was in Atlanta a couple of weeks ago. But it's both Delta hubs.
Delta 404 RNAV, 2 wings, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
3 left, clear for takeoff, RNAV wings, Delta 404.
November 107 Tango Sierra Tower, runway 3 left, line up and wait. Your new departure frequency will be 134.3.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that departure frequency. I have a 11895.
7 Tango Sierra, new departure frequency 134.3 and runway 3 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 134.3.
So line up and wait is where I take the runway, sit in the middle, waiting to take off, not knowing what's behind me. Now, the Delta jet in front of me was given an RNAV departure. That's a predetermined departure so they don't have to get vectors. I won't get that. I will get a heading, and then I will be vectored away in some direction where the other Delta jets aren't going.
Delta 404, contact departure. Have a good day.
Over departure, and they had the birds about 1,500 feet eastbound.
Thank you. 7 Tango Sierra, did you hear that bird report?
No, I didn't. I'm sorry.
7 Tango Sierra, birds reported at 1,500 feet eastbound.
1,600 feet eastbound for birds. Thank you, ma'am.
Seven Tango Sierra, fly runway heading, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading cleared for takeoff, 107 Tango Sierra.
And away I go. Now, previously I'd received my IFR clearance, and so I already know that I'm climbing initially to 4,000 feet and later up to 6,000 feet. So I'm going to head straight down the runway, start climbing. That humming noise in the background is my gear coming up. If you look at the bottom center of the panel, shortly you'll see a green light indicating that my gear is up.
And tower just confirmed, Skywest 4009, we are clear to land 3 right.
Skywest 4009, affirmative. Say gate.
Roger, clear to land 3 right, gate Bravo 7, Skywest 4009.
Roger. 7 Tango Sierra, turn right, heading 110.
110 for 7 Tango Sierra.
So I took off going 030. Now I'm turning right to go 110. That was a vector I got. And I'm still climbing to 4,000 feet.
Hello, Metro Tower, Endeavor 5215, start a final. Here, rip me for a 3 right.
Endeavor 5215 Tower, runway 3 right, clear to land.
Clear land 3 right, 5250.
7 Tango Sierra, contact approach on 134.3. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. 134.3 for 107 Tango Sierra. Metro departure, Cessna 107 Tango Sierra at 2200 heading to 4.
Cessna 107 Tango Sierra to try to approach radar contact.
Off to the left is downtown Detroit and Windsor, Canada, and a new bridge they're building. Straight ahead is the St. Clair River, which is the border between the United States and Canada. Off to the right is Lake Erie, also the border between the United States and Canada.
7 Papa Zulu, clear direct Flint.
Direct Flint, 7 Papa Zulu.
My clearance calls for vectors and then 2 waypoints before I get to Middletown. Those vectors are on my 430, which you can see just to the right of the middle of my panel. Right now, it looks like I'm going to fly to Canada.
Centurion 805, contact Great Lakes approach 118.65.
So I'm at 3,500 feet, heading to 4, climbing at about 1,000 feet per minute, and I am headed pretty much 110. This is all being hand flown. So I'm approaching 4,000 feet, slight trim, see if I can level it perfect.
7 Papa Zulu, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles, maneuvering altitude 1,300.
Negative contact, looking, 7 Papa Zulu.
Cardinal 06, Victor, roger. Alright, 7 Tango Sierra, are you okay with flight over the water?
Yes, I'm fine with the flight over the water.
7 Tango Sierra, roger.
So I am going to Canada. Looks like he's going to vector me across the St. Clair River, over Ontario, and then turn me south over Lake Erie. Now, I fly over Lake Erie regularly to go to the islands, and I'm now at 4,000 feet. I'll be heading up to 6, so I've got plenty of glide range. So I delayed my departure several hours today because of a forecast for ice at 6,000 feet further along in my route. The weather in southern Ohio is not as clear as it is here in Detroit. Shortly, probably sometime over Lake Erie, I will go either into the clouds or over a cloud deck.
That's 7 Tango Sierra, would you like direct destination?
That'd be wonderful. 7 Tango Sierra.
7 Tango Sierra, roger, you can expect that.
Thank you. Expect direct destination.
I hear pilots of small planes complain about IFR because it's not direct. Well, my experience is most of the time it's pretty darn direct, except the times you don't want it to be. Coming back from Atlanta, I got to the perimeter highway and they told me direct destination. Here I've been told I'm going to get direct.
06 Victor, no traffic observed between you and the Oakland Troy Airport. Radar services terminated. Off the IFR. Please change approved. Have a good day.
I really prefer the services I get at large airports, like Atlanta or Detroit or Cincinnati or Nashville. You can get a rental car quickly, someone's there, it's perfect. And being vectored around and through heavy airspace is also a lot safer than me just bumming along. I also don't believe in scud running, so I file IFR for every cross-country flight.
7 Papa Zulu, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles, maneuvering, altitude 2,600.
Contact, looking 7 Papa Zulu.
7 Tango Sierra, climb maintain at 6,000.
6,000 for 107 Tango Sierra.
Archer 1689 Hotel to short approach at Dent. Archer 89 Hotel, radar contact 1 mile northeast of the Pontiac Airport, metro altimeter 3003. 7 Tango Sierra, when able, stay on course heading to Mike Whiskey Oscar.
When able, on course to destination.
7 Papa Zulu, you said you have that traffic?
Affirmative, 7 Papa Zulu.
Roger. 7 Tango Sierra, when able, say you're on course heading to Mike Whiskey Oscar.
209. 107 Tango Sierra.
Well, we're getting closer to Lake Erie, and that cloud deck is starting to materialize. It's pretty normal to have clouds materialize over Lake Erie. Lake effect.
7 Tango Sierra, fly heading 190.
190 for 107 Tango Sierra.
7159 Alpha Sierra, Detroit approach, metro altimeter 3003, VFR L2, your discretion.
Thanks for joining me on my departure from Detroit as we see the lake appear and the St. Clair River empty into the lake. Looks like I'm going to be on top of the cloud deck for at least part of the route. That's nice. See you next time. I hope you'll like the video, subscribe, and check out some of our other videos on me flying this little plane into major airports in the United States.